नमस्कार। अभी हम हैं अमेठी लॉ स्कूल में और हमारे साथ हैं डायरेक्टर सैफाली रजादा मैम। आइए जानते हैं जिस पर से यहाँ कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ है कंपैरेटिव लॉ पर, या क्या कुछ उद्देश्य है और क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है। मैम आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
थैंक यू सो वेरी मच।
आज एक खास तौर पर कंपैरेटिव लॉ पर यहाँ पर कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रहा है, क्या कुछ इसका उद्देश्य?
The उद्देश्य, should I speak in Hindi or English?
As you wish, as you
So objectives are very versatile in its own way. Firstly, so I would say कि under the new education policy, the Indian government also have promoted such kind of the collaborations with the foreign universities so that the students can have the little different learning experience on these platforms. So I believe कि the most important objective of this comparative is not only to give the different aspects on this platform, but also the collaborative sense of the students and different discourses will be coming on this platform. I also believe this kind of the collaborative will enhance the name of the Indian university. They will reach to the foreign land and foreign university would be landed up here. So that kind of the collaboration is a very good sense under the new education policy. And Udesh, I believe the big word, the objective, it's not a one, but the objective is to give the various facets of the current law where the technology is coming. The students of the young generation, that is the Z generation, we should call them the Z generation, they are very hyper. They are very high-tech kind of the generation. So for them, they need something not confined kind of the teaching experience. They are wanting some collaborative. They are wanting what exactly they are teaching and text are beyond their classroom, beyond their university and beyond their country. So certainly the objective would be instilled in the minds of the young buddy lawyers here in Amity Law School. They would be having the new angle. They may inculcate in their teachings understanding in a different perspective also. So confinement is not the cup of tea of today's generation. They want they should do something extra. Exclusivity in the education system they want. I think this event and this conference will provide that academic exclusivity to the
दीपक
system.
मिश्रा सर आए थे, उन्होंने भी क्या कुछ कहा है इस खास
Former Chief Justice of India, respected Honorable Mr. Deepak Mishra sir, they have laid down 2-3 important points which I have understood and which I have taken note of. Firstly, they have said that comparative law has become the need of the hour now. Because when we across the borders, across the world, across the globe, when we understand the things, that is very essential. We cannot, yes, certainly we have to understand our own constitution, our own legal system, but how our legal system across the border works, how the legal fraternity reaching to the courts and the legal system of other countries. And I believe through these activities, I think Indian law system and Indian constitutional system would establish its own roots outside country also. They would understand case. So through the legal fraternity. Another important point he has raised in his discourses, how the today's generation, they have to have the patience also, the nitty-gritties of the system, the technology driven generation. It is so everything is getting digitalized, everything and mostly we are using, and even it has come in the practice of the courts to attach with the technology. But certainly penetration of technology is very much needed horizontally and vertically also. So that was his also concern. Now the generation should move ahead beyond their old setup of the legal education, but the new setup of the we have to establish. So that is what 2-3 points he has given, being a very honorable judge of Indian legal system. He has given his presence, has given his much big message to our law students, and it's really honor for Amity University, Amity Law School, he has come and accepted our invitation. And as I use in my vote of thanks also, I felt the entire galaxy of the academic world is here, because so many of the law commission member, Justice Ritu Rajavasti sir was there, Vice Chancellor Professor Manoj Sinha was there, and the embassy. Means all these the multifaceted personalities, they were present in during the inaugural. So that has given in itself is a great message to everyone.
कुछ पुस्तक के बुक की भी लॉन्चिंग हुई थी, इसके बारे में जानिए।
There are so many books launched. It is a great time for research publication. Our MIT University is a research-driven university, and we have set the standards for our PhD scholars. We have set the standards for our students who are publishing, and we have set some quality work in the Scopus Index, Web of Science journals. We have given the set mark also, benchmarks to follow and to maintain the quality. So in that context, some of the faculty, they have done the very much hard work. It's not so easy to bring a book. So it was not a one book, but there's so many books have come. Even I have, I'm not able to recall all the names, but certainly one abstract book, because the 315 abstracts were submitted in the conference and 200 something they were accepted. But I believe all 315 were having this different message and different connotation from the academic world. That abstract book that is in the form of the proceedings, this is the core area of the conference. So I would say that is, I was seeing the pages. So what the Edith Corbett University and international authors, they have again been they were beyond our imagination what the area they have covered up in their paper presentation. And I believe all the technical session in itself would be a great learning platform for everyone for the academic.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया से कोई जजेस भी जुड़े थे, उनके बारे में आप?
Justice, firstly to the dean was the co-chair of the Australian Edith Corbett University, that is Joshua N. Eston. And he was very excited. He was an excellent person, and he was very much enthusiastic about the publication. He was enthusiastic about this conference, and he has been attached with us for the past 4 years. We are doing in the collaborative manner this conference, and I think wonderful experience in itself. It is showing because he wants to continue in the future also with the same collaborative. And Justice Alexander was also attached with us during the inaugural session, and he was also emphasizing on the comparative legal education during the time, because a comparison doesn't mean in some way around what is best, but to have and to know the best practices prevalent in different legal systems. And Indian Constitution has itself is the witness. They have taken the best practices around the world, and that is what our Constitution has accumulated all those best practices just to become the best one. So Justice Alexander was also emphasizing this kind of the collaborative sessions, certainly they are very, very good in today's time.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सो मच।
जी दोस्तों, तो ये थे हमारे साथ शेफाली मैम, जो खास तौर बता रहे थे कि आज ग्लोबल टाइम में खास तौर पर कंपैरेटिव लॉ एजुकेशंस की काफ़ी ज़रूरत है और इसकी आवश्यकता भी है। G20 में जिस प्रकार से किया गया और उसके बाद से और भी इम्पोर्टेंस बढ़ जाता है, जो फाइनेंस से चलकर सीधे आप शासन पर खास तौर से कंपैरेटिव करते हैं। जी हाँ, कैमरा पर्सन राशि के साथ मानवेद, नमस्कार।
देश विदेश की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से अपडेट रहने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाएं, ताकि सभी खबरों से आप और आपके जानने वाले रह सके अपडेट।